know the shadows better than I should. More of the ache than I ever understood. It doesn't always scream or make a sound. It's like a rust that's eating from the ground, sitting in the silence, hollow and cold. Stories of the secrets that were never told. Chewing on the spirit, biting from within, hiding in the darkness underneath the skin. Internal scream, nobody hears the call. Waiting for the heavy ghost to let me fall. The pain is a teacher, the pain is the key, breaking all the chains to finally set me free. It masks itself as anger, masks itself as tired, burning out the system. Everything is wired, it tears apart the logic, messes with the brain, running in a circle, drowning in the rain. Returning to the moment, over and again, living in the echo, living in the wind. The loneliest feeling is a crowded room, where the inner silence starts to feel like doom. It points to the place where I betrayed my soul, to the long lost pieces that I can't control. Internal scream, nobody hears the call. Waiting for the heavy ghost to let me fall. The pain is a teacher, the pain is the key, breaking all the chains to finally set me free. Feels like the end, like a total eclipse, with the taste of ashes on my frozen lips. No hope in the vision, no strength in the hand, sinking like a stone in the desert sand. But time is a healer, time is a light, a crack in the armor in the middle of the night. Now the glow is entering through every single tear. The light is finally coming, killing off the fear. It broke me apart just to build me up strong. This is the rhythm where I truly belong. Internal scream, nobody hears the call.